Hi, my name is Zin. In today's video, I want to show you how to add the animation like this in anywhere of your website without any plugin. You can add it in Divi, Elementor, or any WordPress theme. And also for the Divi, I will show you how to make the 404 by with animation like this. It's really simple and it's really interesting and make website more fun. So let's do it together. This is my website in the beginnings. The right side with the picture, and the website look kind of travel a little bit, and I want to replace the right side picture with another animation. Also, if I type in something wrong in the website, you will see the 404 by is look boring right now. It is the default of the Divi theme. I will replace this with another animation and the button 404 base. And right now, just come back to the website. Okay, so we go to the Loti website, lotify.com. The link I will put in the description below. This website you can download ton of the sample free animation. Before that, you need to log into the website to download. So first I will log in. Here you can log in by Google account. So let me log in first. Okay. After login to the account, you will see the screen like this, and you can start searching something you like. Right now I'm searching travel. You can searching anything. The travel here, and you can see so many sample, and they also have some of the premium thing you have to pay for that. For this website, I think, let's see another page. Okay, I kind of like this one, and it's free, and click that one. Okay, so right now you in the section here, and if you want to change any color here, just click edit layer color, or if you want to import to your website right now HTML, and here another page will open. So I don't want to show the control. This one I want to show 100% width, and okay, so the height I want to show like 500 pixels, and copy the code. How you can copy the code here? I can click here, copy the code, come back to the website, click edit visual builder. So I remove my picture and searching another motion code, and paste the code. You should copy it right here. Everything with 100% high 500 pixel, and save. You can't see anything here, but when you exit the visual builder, you will see it's right here. See, you can see it's right here. Another option, example, like you want to change the color of the animation something, you can go here, click edit layer color. In here you can see it's open for you another tab with all the group and the color on the right side. Just remind, like some of the animation they give you the option to change the color, and another one maybe they don't have the option to change the color, so you can change another animation if you want. So example for this one, I want to change the background a little bit, so I just like searching, looking for the background. Okay, so maybe this color is the background. Just click this one, change, and it change to another color. So example like this color up there. Okay, I can change another color, maybe this color up there. Yes, so for example I want to change to this color, and the next you go to upload to Lotify, upload to my review. So here the upload profile will be created, and then you can click convert to zip file if you want, or edit animation again. So right now I click public to public, add it a name, maybe travel, and then add the tag name travel. So you have to add at least 3 tags, maybe another one, back and fun. Just add anything you want, and the description if you want to add like I like it, the check mark to confirm this animation, and click public to public. Okay, for now you already finished. You can copy the link here and open the new tab, put it here, or I can show you another one. You can close this, click OK, close this, and then you go to the you hover to the icon here, click view profile. You can see your animation showing here. Right now I click to the animation, and then I click to HTML again to get the HTML. Again I just remove the control, change this one to 100%, and this one I think 5 or maybe 600, and copy, come back to the website here, enable Visual Builder. So I just remove the old one and copy paste the new one, save it again. Okay, is it Visual Builder? Right now you can see it changed to another color like I want. And another one, I want to create the 404 base, so I go to Theme Builder, Divi Theme Builder, and go to 404 base here. Again, click here, rolling down to 404 base, create, and I want to add the body. Click the body, build custom body. Okay, start building. For now I just want to close this and close this, close this. Okay, so come back here and search another one, example 404. So right now I see a lot of 404 by example, and let's find something interesting. Oh, I kind of like this one. On this one is Q, so I choose this one. This time I will not edit anything. I will click HTML. Again we remove the control, put this one is 100%, and this one I think is a 500 pixel is enough. You can change any number you want. If you don't think is good, you can come back and change again. So after you change, copy the file, come back here, come back to the website. So right now we add the row, we add to the title, maybe the text. So this one should be 404 page, and this one should be X1. Heading should be another one, like after something. I choose maybe Roboto. This one is perfect. Change the style, make it in the center, and maybe this one should be okay. Must be bigger, like this, with another color. I think this one. Okay. So after this one, let's see. Like I have the space. And after the title, I will add the animation. So right now I put the code, paste the animation code here, and after the animation, I think I will add another button. This one says back to home. It's linked. For the home page link, just put the slash. It will know it's come back to the home page. And right here, I just style the button a little bit. Just make the simple things here. Button, custom. The text should be Y, like that. Okay. That's just for example, and I'm moving the animation on the top of the button. So don't care about what it look right now because it's not showing the animation. So click save, and save again. Okay. So I just close the Lottie file and open another tab. So right now I'm in the home page, and if I typing something wrong, it will show 404 base. And if you click to the button, it will come back the home page. That's what I want. So that's it. If you like the video, you can click the thumbs up and subscribe if you want. And I will see you in my next video.